Hmm? So hydrogen has 1, 1. There's a 1 down there. Yeah? Hmm?
Yeah.
Then if you look at beryllium, it has 4 on top, not so?
Yes.
So 4
Yeah.
is then now for them they're putting the masses down. They're putting down because they are saying now I see where potassium is 19. I see 19.
Yes.
I think there's a some I think 39.
Yes.
So that means they're putting 39. 39 is that now the what? The mass. Yeah. I think magnesium.
Yes.
So magnesium is the what? That means you have 12 and what? 24. Yeah. It means this is the what? This is the mass of magnesium. Yeah. Beryllium, I think beryllium, it has 4 and what? And 9. Are we there?
Yes.
If you look at copper, where is copper? Do you know the symbol of copper?
Yes.
Copper is, what's the symbol of copper?
Cu.
Cu. So copper is here. What are you seeing on copper?
29 and 63.
63 only? Are you sure you're seeing 63?
Yes, teacher. If you round up, it's 64.
Yes, that means it is 63.546. If you round off, it will be 64. Now in copper, we use 64. Yeah? I think zinc. I think zinc. What's the mass of zinc? What's the mass of zinc? We have 65.38, isn't it? Isn't it? Are you getting it? You can take a screenshot of that so that you get the copy. Have you taken a screenshot of that one?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have seen this. So we shall always have the masses there. So when you visit your periodic table, it has both the masses and atomic numbers. So in our moral concept, we shall look at the masses. Yeah, let us first go back here. Now that means if you are to follow the masses, like when I say atom first, and so then atomic number, but let us avoid atomic number because we shall not focus on them so much. Then let us look at the mass number. So atom, then mass number. Then after mass number, we shall look at what? This is the mass, what you call the molar mass. When we say molar mass, it means 1 mole. Are you getting it? So molar mass, in brackets, 1 mole of the given what? Atom. Molar mass, 1 mole. That means if I say copper, so copper, we have seen that it is 60 what? 64 grams. Over there. You're going to tell me these ones. I'm going to show you the periodic table, then you complete for me. You're going to complete for me these ones. So sodium is an atom. Magnesium is an atom. Then aluminium, zinc we said is 60 what? 65, meaning it's 65 grams. Hydrogen we said it is 1. Then we have oxygen, carbon we said it is 12. So carbon, we don't repeat that one. 12, even here what? 12 grams. Sulfur, Sulfur, we don't know what is here. Potassium, we saw potassium was 39, and this one 39 grams. So we have 1, 2, this, that, magnesium, this. So I'm going to distribute the questions now to you people. So the first one goes to Denise, then Shamila, then Patricia. Should I put back the periodic table?
Yes.
Okay, predictable is back here. So who's giving us the first one? Was Denise.
The first one is calcium. Its mass number is 40.
Calcium is 40, very good. The next one is,
the molar mass is 40 grams.
Not kilograms, 40 grams, not kilograms. The next one, Shamila. Shamila's run away. Okay, Patricia, next one.
27 is the mass number of aluminium, then 27 grams.
Yes, 27 grams, because here we have 26.9. When you round off, it becomes 27. Yes, the next one. Yes, Denise.
So what is the next one?
The next one, we had the magnesium. So this one we have said sodium is what from here?
Sodium is 23.
23, very good. Because you have 22.9 when you round up 23, yeah?
Yes.
So this is 23 grams. This one you have seen 24 grams. Aluminium say 27 what? Grams. Oxygen is what?
16.
16, also. So what is oxygen? Oxygen is 16. So oxygen is 16. So 16 what? Grams. Then the next one's sulfur,
32.
32 from what? Sulfur is where? Sulfur is this side, eh? So sulfur, we have 16 and 32. So the atomic number is 16, yeah? Then this is 32. We round off to 32. So this is 32 and 32. So we have that. Are we there? So now those are molar what? Molar masses. It means if you are to express this in statement form, what you call first principles, we shall already say that 1 mole of potassium K weighs 39 grams. Are we there? Because mass is being weighed, we don't contain the mass. And so then if it is 1 mole or maybe sodium atom, it always weigh how many? This is 23 grams. That means the 1 mole of copper, it always weigh 64 grams. So this is how we write the statements, what you call the first what? Principles. Are we there? So then we go to, now how do you state for me this one? Suppose I had a compound, or maybe sodium chloride. How do you find the mass of that one? How do you find the mass? How do you find the mass? The first thing you know is to get the formula first. So the formula of sodium chloride is what? Is NaCl. So how many atoms do we have there? How many atoms do we have? We have the sodium atom and what? Chloride atom also. So how many do we have in quantity? We have one of sodium, one of chlorine. So that means so sodium has one, this one also has one. And the masses, we know the mass. I mean, this now we find 23 times the one quantity, then plus 1 times what? Now chlorine from here. What is the mass of chlorine?
35.
35, Now we have 35.45 there, not so?
Yes.
But since chlorine it is an isotope, we shall see that we shall have chlorine 37 and chlorine 5. So when we add the two, we shall get an average of 35.5. So that means in the mass of chlorine, we shall use 35.5. That's what we take. That means here now we shall add 23 plus 35.5. What do we get? We shall get what? What shall we be getting?
58.5.
58.
35.5.
Why do we want?
Why don't you say 36?
No, because we can't use 36 because we are getting them from two things, from two isotopes. We have isotope of 37 as the mass plus 35. When you add these ones by 2, what do you get?
35.5.
35.5. So we take this here one, not 36.
Yes.
So that means we are getting 50 watts. 58.5. So this is 5, not. That means these are now grams. That means we shall say the relative. Before we say relative first, we shall now say 1 mole because it is a molar. It is a molar mass. So 1 mole of sodium chloride now weighs 58.5 grams. Also, now this one qualifies to be relative formula mass. But when we say relative formula mass, we shall not put a unit of grams because it is a ratio. That means the relative formula mass, it is a formula, it is a compound. It will be equal to what? 58.5 only. That means there are no units and a relative. So that one brings us to our NB, and we shall say NB, relative formula mass, relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass, out there, has no units. Reason. So reason being, it is a ratio. It is a ratio. Are you getting it? It is what? A ratio. So don't put the units there. Are we there? Shamila, you welcome back.